Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. The body of missing Portmore woman, Kenise Jackson, found in the vicinity of Portmore Fishing Village. She was an accounting clerk of Manchester Avenue, Independent City in Portmore, St. Catherine. Kenise had been missing since Wednesday, March 24th. She is of brown complexion, medium build and is approximately 168 centimeters, 5 feet 6 inches tall. Reports from the police are that about 8 a.m., Jackson was last seen leaving her home for work and has not been heard from since. Her mode of dress at the time she went missing was unknown. It is said that she was raped and strangled. The St. James Traffic Department has commenced an investigation surrounding the death of a 4-year-old boy who was mowed down by a car in the Salt Spring community on Wednesday night. As we move on, the body of a 52-year-old market vendor was this morning found with the head bashed inside Coronation Market in downtown Kingston. The man has been identified as Owen Coleman of Kellett's, Clarendon. The Corporate Communication Unit, CCU, said that the body was discovered by passers-by about 4:30 a.m. and police officers were alerted. 2 men have been arrested in the Cayman Islands following a drug operation that took place earlier this week, in which a police helicopter spotted and interrupted what appeared to be a drug transfer at sea between a local boat and a canoe from Jamaica. A team of police officers is now at Kingston Harbor, where it was reported that a body was found on Friday morning. Reports from sources are that the body is of an elderly person. Further reports are that persons passing the area saw the body in the water and alerted the police. The body has since been fished from the water. We now move to on the brighter side. The Bounty Foundation traveled to Porus, Riches, today to donate 3 wheelchairs to 3 disabled person and $50,000 to each of them. Smiles and joy and laughter today, trust me. We do it for the poor and the needy. Respect our elders, thank you God for granting me this wonderful opportunity. King of Kingston, Miss Ivy Big Son.